Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuous Technologies. This is the 8th episode in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series, in which we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. In this episode, we will be covering annotations and comments. Annotation and comments are really powerful, especially when you're sharing your workflow with someone else. If you just have tools on there and formulas, maybe when you're sending it to someone else, they have no clue what this means. So adding the most documentation possible will help you make your workflow more shareable. So to add a formula comment, and you can do this in the filter tool as well, you can document your process. So the process that Alteryx uses, or the format, is going to be SQL notation with comments. So you'll see a forward slash and an asterisk represent the start of a comment, and the end of the comment is with an asterisk and a backslash, another forward slash here. So with these, you're able to add multi-line comments. If you want to do a one-line comment, you can use 2 forward slashes and type comment in the box just like that. Now be cautious when you're using asterisks in between, because it'll signify that as the close of the comment, and it can cause problems when you are typing these. Now going into annotations, every tool is able to have an annotation on there if you want to document what that tool is doing. So annotations on the entire workflow, you can turn on and off in the canvas settings in the configuration pane. So here, my annotations are hidden just because I think they clog up the workflow sometimes, but what you can do is show them. So clicking that, it'll show all those annotations. So if I want to add some comment here an annotation of what this tool is doing, I can write that right here, and it'll pop up right underneath the tool. So type in input data, it will update underneath that tool. Then I can edit this. This is the formula that's inside of that formula, so it'll show up down in the annotation, but you can go through and edit this and say what is going on in this tool. So formula, just a sample, clicking off of that, take a second to update, and then you're able to customize these throughout your workflow.